Bueno, el objetivo de la Lideres Campesinas es ayudar a la campesina. Sabemos que ahorita en este momento se está hablando mucho de migración, que no tengan miedo, que ellas están protegidas, que si tienen problemas sobre los pesticidas, el acoso sexual, abuso doméstico, sueldos y horas, que nosotros podemos ayudarlas con todos los programas dentro de la organización.
Well, I started working with them when I was 19 years old, 20 years old, and I really like it because we help women who work in the fields or any women who having problems.
Algo así.
He abused her emotionally and raped her.
Y me tuve que salir a México.
I had to go back to Mexico.
Cuando le mencioné que me iba a ir y que quería mi dinero, nomás me echó $75 en el sobre y agarré el greenhouse y me salí para Tijuana sin dinero.
And he left her with no money and to go back to Mexico, to Tijuana.
When they started talking about their individual stories and even just parts of their stories, and they were talking about how this is their normal lives. This is stuff that happens. Because you think that just changing the law is going to be enough, but that's not. You have to be able to enforce the law. So, and that's something that I already knew, but seeing it, over and over and over again, definitely sticks in your mind.